Yes, I'm romanticising life in the office while I'm doing my 9 to 5 work, but to keep updated in terms of ADHD, I'm just decided this is going to be my little like vlog. This is where I'm going to talk to more so about ADHD, but also, which, good God, help on my family and friends, because I think they probably just think this is my entire personality now. This is all I ever actually talk about. But I just think because it's such a change in my life and the way in which I work or communicate or feel or do anything, like, let's express that. So this is going to be my little diary of such. Still going to be dedicated towards writing, but also kind of like about myself and ADHD with writing. Like, a lot of people who are in the creative field do have it, but how do I manage with it? How do I start to help myself and get over certain blocks and things and stuff, and basically just get onto writing and actually doing it? Because at the moment there's still a blocker, even with meds. Don't know why. We'll figure it out. But any tips and tricks that anyone does have, please let me know. But so far, week 1, meds wise, good. Book writing, zil. 0, zil. Nil.